Hi everybody, welcome. I'm Professor Shanky, and this video is on. In this video, we're going to cover some of the character and paragraph formatting that Microsoft Word can provide that will allow you to make your documents more readable and look professional. Some of the things we'll talk about are font sizes, bold, italic, and underlines, uppercase, lowercase, and coloring, highlighting, bulleted lists, paragraph alignment, and the ruler. So this document I have here is very plain. It doesn't look like a professional document that you'd see in industry, and we need to fix that. So the first thing in looking that I see is my header up here is the same font size and type as the rest of the document. So I want to show you how we can do that manually or by hand. We can make some changes to this. So I'm going to highlight leadership roles, and you'll notice that a quick menu pops up with some of the common things you might want to do with the font. I'm actually going to ignore that for now, and I'm going to come up here to the font menu. So the font menu in my ribbon bar is located under the Home tab, and it gives me most of the options that I can do with my font. The first thing I want to do is I'm going to apply the bold to it. So clicking on this B here makes it bold. So if you notice over here, it's a little bit darker now than the rest of the document. Helps a little bit, but let's see what else we can do. So I'm going to highlight this again, come up here to my font menu. Let's italicize it. Now when I italicize, you see how everything kind of leans to the right a little bit. Okay, getting a little better, but it's still not quite. Let me try putting an underline on it. All right, so yeah, that kind of helps. Still not 100% happy with it. So let's make it a little bit bigger, right? So I like how it's a little bit bolder and underlined and italicized. It makes it stand out, but let's make this a little bit bigger. So if I highlight it, up here in my font menu, I have this drop down right after the name of the font is the size. So I click on the drop down, you'll see I have from 8 point to 72 or more if I want to define bigger. So 72 is a little too big. 28, I like 28. So there, now I have a nice strong header that looks really good. Well, one more thing I think we can make it a little bit better is because it is a header, let's make it so it's all capital letters. To do that, I don't have to retype the whole thing. There's a great feature up here in font, which is right here. It's called change case. So by selecting that, I can do sentence case, which capitalizes the first word and makes everything else lowercase. I can set everything to lowercase. I can set everything to uppercase, capitalize, or toggle case. So I'm going to choose uppercase. I think that'll make it a little bit more bolder and pop out. So there you go. By making it all uppercase, that shows me that this is a header. This is the section header, and it's important, and it kind of makes it look a little more professional.